What's good, you guys? Welcome back. We're gonna start off with using clear soap mixed with eye drops and brushing that into my eyebrows. These eyebrows are inspired by Queen Akasha. She played in The Queen of the Dam. She was the queen, played by Aaliyah. Everybody knows Aaliyah played her. She fucking killed it. I love that movie. It was a whole aesthetic. And right here, I'm just outlining my eyebrows. This is the Ruby Kisses Go Brow Eyebrow Pencil. You'll be seeing me aligning things to the arch of my eyebrows and then to the end of my eye. So this way, any face shape that you have, any eyebrow shape, you'll have your perfect eyebrow shape. It's a little bit of math put into this. Right here, you'll align your nose to your pupil to the arch of your eyebrows. That should be aligned. And then the front of your eyebrows should always go down from the tip of your nose. The end of your eyebrows should align with the end of your nose, the end of your eyes, and that's the end of your eyebrow. Just like that, I have a beauty mark. I'm just making that pop, and I'm about to go in with Revlon Brow Shape and Glow. Just go ahead and stroke up. You'll be making like hair strokes.
That I'm crazy, I'll be the one catching the case. Take them out with no trace. But girl, I'm no killer, it just be the end of their race. The villains feel that we can have a thriller. Girl, I like your vibe, please come and stay in my space. Cause your vibe, it vibes with mine. So sweet, so divine. Your vibe, it vibes with mine. So sweet, so divine. Your vibe, it vibes with mine. So sweet, so divine. Your vibe, it vibes with mine.
I'm mixing brown and black from the 12 Lash color palette because the eyebrow marker just tends to dry out. It's not this product in particular, the tip is just a little bit too big for me. I like more of a fine tip. 12 Lash color palette has a nice consistency. It's not too oily, it's creamy, it stays. And now I'm just going to be drawing detail of my Queen Akasha inspired eyebrows. You could just leave your eyebrows without the tail for an everyday eyebrow if you're looking for a new routine. Now that we're all done making the tail of the eyebrow, just go ahead and stroke some hairs and apply your eyebrow gel when you are all set to go. I wrote Imagine in the inner corner of my eye makeup, and I named this look Imagine.